You can't pin me down, you can't label my soul. Me move like breeze, me burning gold. Them want know where me stand, me no stand still. Me no follow man, me follow will. Them want me pick side, want me join line. But me move with time, me design mine. Me no left, me no right, me no wrong, me no hype. Me just walk in a light with me senses bright. Oh, oh, oh. Me got no target, can't aim on this. Me no join your war, me no take your risk. Me rise above, them lost in twist. Me step clean, so me can't be missed. No target, me not fit in. No target, can't box king. Them say trap in a code, trap in a news. Them trap the youth mind, make them confused. Me dodge every tag, me dodge every name. Me chat for truth, me no play the game. Me no slave for blue or red. Me no feed pan fear or dread. Me build me peace in a bush or shed. Me spirit high, me conscience fed. Me got no target, can't mark me lane. Me take me shots, but me play no game. Them want me head, them want me claim. But me walk clear, and me speak flame. No target, can't touch soul. No target, still stay whole. Me no post for likes, me no dress for hype. Me no chant for fights, me chant for sight. So them can't lock me, can't trap me, can't stop me. Cause me get no targets. Me see them point guns at shadow, but truth live in silent meadow. Me trod high road, no shallow. Me lead self, me not follow. Me no clone, me no token. Me word sharp, never broken. For every youth that feel unspoken, this chant is the sign of walking. Me got no target, no chain, no leash. Me move in power, me live in peace. Me fly above like a car priest. Me carry fire, but it no fear.